competition, firstly, you make sure you pick a time. I find the competition usually takes about 20 minutes to run. So I'll usually do it maybe sort of 25 minutes, 25 minutes probably before the class finishes, that I'll stop everyone, get them to pack everything up, put their work on a bench, on a particular bench, and then make sure no one touches it, and then make sure they clean up, because sometimes you get quite messy. I get one student from each group to take their work up to the second story, and then once we're out there, I have a couple of people, I have 3 students at least, timing it just to make sure that I get the average and the average is right. I have them drop it one at a time, so I don't try and have them all drop at the same time, because I want to get the times. That's how I usually run it. I mean, you could just do it like a drag race, I guess. I'll be the one that enters the details, so I'm usually quite busy at that point. And then once that's all done, I get the kids to make sure they clean off everything and go into the theory room and go through the results. Running the competition, you could do it all at once. You could do it in heats, but I like to do it individually timed. So every student, one person from each group, holding it out wherever you decide to run it, letting it go, and then having 3 students on the ground, preferably not from the same group as the student is dropping it. Basically, timing it, and then I'll take all 3 times and average it, and if there's one that's way out, I'll leave it off. But just to make sure I get it all right. If something happens, like a false start, or it gets caught somewhere along the way, or it blows way away, then I usually tell students I give them 3 chances. So if they don't get it on the 3rd chance, then they're disqualified. I've never had to disqualify anyone, but that's basically how I get out of that. Because sometimes the wind's blowing back into you and it'll want to hit the wall or something like that, and that obviously disqualify. It's not really fair if that happens. So yeah, that's how I find the easiest way to run it.